Hi Pramvir, I'm just sorting out a video just to go through the new dashboard or the target board, which I'm going to call Beyond Outstanding. I appreciate what you've done with the key dial up to date. It's coming along really nice, but I thought what I'd do is start this as a separate module so that we don't overburden the actual key dial. So if I look at what I want it to look like is, this is the page of the key dial. You've got the key, you've got the dial in the centre, and up here is you've got a graphical copy of the dial. Each of these segments or circles have got separate segments in them. Each one is separate. So for example, you've got 16 areas that are completely independent, and that's inner 4, meaning centre, inner 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I clicked on that one, that would actually bring the numbers round on that one. Inner 3 is that one, inner 2, inner 1 and centre. Each one of those numbers are basically a click to a URL. So if you click any of the circles here, what that does is bring up the numbers on the circle selected and bring a list of buttons 1 to 16 and the title name in these buttons. So what we've got there is, we click on the new icon from the dashboard, we end up there, got a user, a normal user would just have this key icon there. Somebody with administration rights would have the config icon there. Click and you go through to the Beyond Outstanding. If you click the user icon, we've got the same administration access as we have with the other modules. If the site's got access to the module, then I can set a user up to have access or admin rights. And this gives the user access, or it gives the user admin rights to be able to set the module up. Looking at the config, if you click the config, it brings up centre, inner 1, inner 2, inner 3 and inner 4. If you click the centre, there is only one title and one URL link for the centre. If you click the inner 1 or the inner 2 or inner 3 or inner 4, it drops down the 16 that I can insert a title and insert a URL. So I'm assuming here we've clicked on the outer circle, which has brought the list of the titles up and brought the numbers up there. This enables me to understand where things are on the particular site. I'm assuming that the URL has been stored for title 4. So if you click 4, or click the cell 4 there, it takes you to the URL in a different window. And on this URL, I've pointed to a key dial page. What we've got now is that if you click yes, let me just think, up here, if you click that button first and then click the cells, this pops up, which enables you to change the rag and add a note. The actual cell colour 654321 will actually be ragged to a colour, but it only applies when you click this button. But I'm sure we can sort that out. So click 6, select a rag and add a note. And when you save it, it inserts username, status change to, and or not added. And it's as simple as that. It's a blog like it is with append the current status within the key dial. I hope that gives you enough to start with Pramvir, and as you can see, it's very similar to the key dial breakdown. Thank you very much.